Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Ballerina Cappuccina from brain rot meme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay guys, the look will be like this and I'm going to show you how I created this look. Okay guys, the first one I'm going to show you how we can create the hat for Ballerina Cappuccina. And I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing. So these are for the items. The first one, I'll start with this fur hat. Okay, I'm going to show you the adjustment for the fur hat. Okay, this is for the position and rotate and also the scale. And then the next one, you're going to wear this item, this one. And this is for the eyes. You're going to color it black, and I'm going to show you the adjustment for the eyes. Okay, for the position, rotate, and scale. And for the mouth, you can wear this mask, and you're going to color it brown. And this is the adjustment for the mouth, position, rotate, and scale. Okay, and for the cup, you're going to wear the items from the culture update. You can go to the culture clothing area, and for the adjustment, I'm going to show you for the position and rotate and scale. This is from the world culture update. So you need to go to the culture clothing area and color it brown. And then for the for this part, I don't know what it is called. It's like holder for the cup, right? You can use this headband, and you're going to color it white. For the headband, you can choose type 2 for this one. And for the adjustment, you're going to follow this adjustment. Wait. Alright, this is for the headband adjustment. For the position, rotate, and scale. And the last one, you're going to wear this hat. Okay, and you're going to color it brown. And this is for the adjustment, position, rotate, and also scale. And the last one, you're going to wear the flower crown from the petal update. You're going to color it white. And this is for the adjustment, for the position, rotate, and scale. And you're going to remove the detail, and it will create something like this. Okay, and the next one, we're going to wear the skirt for Ballerina Cappuccina. For this skirt, you're going to go to this area, and you're going to wear the skirt. Change the toggle to type 2, and for the color code, you're going to choose this one. Okay, this is for the color code. And then for the corset, I'm going to choose this one and color it the same for all the selection. Okay, just color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this top as well. Okay, I'm going to color it pink, the same pink. And the last one, you're going to wear the heels, the pink bow heel from the petal update, and you're going to color it with the same pink. Okay, for the bows and the hearts. And if you have mirror heels, you can also use that one. I'm going to go to the dressing room or the changing room, and we're going to choose this mirror heel, apply the same color. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Ballerina Cappuccina in Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.